koolmesh Bluetooth is ideal in warehouse and industrial applications. Behind me you can see some high bay luminaires which are complete with koolmesh nodes. We can offer presence detection, daylight dimming. So if you've got skylights we have in this installation, the lights will dim down automatically as the daylight increases. We've got time scheduled events as and when needed, along with emergency testing and reporting. And obviously in the event of an emergency or power failure, the emergency lights will take over. The koolmesh app has some really nice features. One of them is corridor mode. And as you'll see in the video, it shows that as you walk towards the luminaire, it will do the right thing, it'll illuminate, but it'll also tell its neighbour to also illuminate in case you head in that direction. If you do, before you get to the next luminaire, it will bring on the next one, and so on and so on.